Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll see how can we create tables in database. We'll explore all the possible ways of creating the table. On my screen is the standard syntax for creating the table. We specify the keyword create followed by what we want to create, that is the table. Then we can mention the schema name, but the schema name is not a mandatory thing. So if we want to create a table in a particular schema, we can provide it here, or if we don't provide, the table is created in the schema in which we have logged in. So say if we provide a schema name, then we have to provide schema name dot the table name. Also, the table name cannot have a space in between. So if we have a table name where we have two different words such as employee information, so we can have employee underscore information. Then comes the bracket, and in the bracket we specify the different columns which we require in a table. Also, it is mandatory to mention the data type. Then we have something called column constraint, which is not mandatory, but it stores information. So like if you want to make a column to be not null, or if you want to make the column to be a primary key, foreign key, or if you want to specify certain checks onto the column, all those things can be mentioned. Also, if you want to specify the constraint at the table level, we can do it after specifying all the columns. So now we'll see the example how we can create tables. So here I am trying to create a table called as person info. I want to create in the schema HR, so I don't need to specify the schema here because I have logged in with it. Then I want a different field such as ID, name, and then comments. I specified the data type for each, and also I've specified the constraint, and the different columns in the table are separated by giving comma. So let's try creating this table. So see, the table is created. I'll show you the another way in which we can specify the constraint at the table level. So I'll just copy the statement. We can format it. Just right click and then click on format, or you can do it by clicking on Ctrl F7. So I'll just give person info 1, and I'll just remove this primary key here. So after this we can just mention as primary key, and then we can specify the field on which we want to specify this condition. So we'll try creating now. So we see another table person info 1 got created. So this is the standard way of creating a table. There may be a scenario where we want to create a table from another table. So we have a table employees. I'll just query it and show you. So this is the table employees. So now I want to create a table from this table, copying all the fields. Actually, we can specify what fields we want. So I'll just show you first. So for creating a table from another table, we have to use the keyword as and just mention. So now we'll be creating the table from the table employees, in which employees will get all the column field followed by all the records. So see, we have approx 107 records here. We'll just create this table. So employee copy created. Now we'll do a select on this. Let's just copy this statement. So see, the table with all the columns from the employees and all the record is created. See, the total count of the records is 107. So we have seen how we can create a table from already existing table. Now what I'll do, I'll just show you creating a table by selecting only some particular fields. So I'll just go with first name, comma, last name. Also, if we want to limit the records to be copied from the parent table, we can do that by specifying the condition where employee ID less than 150. Okay, so we'll just try running this. Okay, oh sorry, this name is already taken. I'll just give copy 1 and let's try creating it. So see, now the table is created. We'll do and select onto this table and see. See, only 2 fields are there. Also, the number of records is now limited to 50. So we have seen how we can create a table. We have seen how can we create a table from another table. We have also seen how we can limit the records to be copied from the other table and to limit the fields which we want in a table. I'll show you how we can create a table with empty values, that is no rows, but copying only the column information. So for that, I'll just copy the statement here. I'll paste it here. I'll change the table name to be employee copy 2, and in the where condition I'll just specify 1 equal to 2. So now this condition will be false, but a table will be created. I'll just execute it. So the table is created. Now we'll just do a star and we can see that no records will be written. Just I'll do a select. See, now we have created the table, copying it from the other table with no records. So we have seen how we can create a table, how we can create a table copying from other table, and I just recommend you to check my previous video on the identity columns. So you will learn how you can specify the identity rows onto a column. So if you like my content to be useful, please like it and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts, feel free to write in the comment section. Thank you.